Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive outstanding collections, pure hand weaving sarees collections only for you. So let me display. This one very nice color combinations, black and silver zari weaving work, premium quality pure handloom organic linen base, all over silver zari weaving Banarasi buta work, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work all over Banarasi buta, very nice and fresh looks, silver zari weaving design work, base part is black base, premium quality pure handloom organic linen, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful heavy work, fully silver zari weaving jamdani design work pallu, very nice and fresh looks, black and silver contrast looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your gorgeous and bright looks. And this one is a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka with silver zari weaving work all over base, diagonally stripes design. This one full base part, very nice and fresh color combinations. This one is border portions, fully fine silver zari weaving design work, soft one, silver zari weaving design work, border all over weaving diagonal stripes design, very nice and trendy, smart, fashionable looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully zari weaving heavy worked pallu, fully silk weaving silver zari weaving design heavy worked pallu, and all over diagonally work and fully silver zari weaving work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, hand spun matka with beautiful ikat print design, highlighted zari border with contrast color, multicolor stripes design on border portions, very nice and beautiful smart looks. This one border portion, golden zari border and highlighted multicolor stripes line, pure handloom matka base with beautiful ikat design, very trendy and fashionable elegant looks, white base with beautiful ikat design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this portion is highlighted border, and this one pallu portions, beautiful ikat design work pallu, very smart and fresh looks, lightweight elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for smart and bright looks. And also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom organic linen base with beautiful zari weaving buta work all over base, very nice and fresh color combinations, premium quality pure handloom organic linen base with zari weaving buta design, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is all over base, this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine zari weaving heavy design work pallu. This one is pallu portions, fully zari weaving design work pallu, and this one is all over base, all over buta design, very nice and trendy fashionable looks. And I will say this silk material embroidery mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. This one also very nice color combinations, pink base, baby pink base with fine weaving border design, very elegant looks, premium quality pure tussar silk with beautiful fine weaving border design, and this one pure tussar silk pink base with beautiful fine weaving design work border, very smart and trendy looks, elegant, obviously pure tussar silk and fully hand weaving design work, and very lightweight, comfortable, pure tussar silk. And this one is all over base, and this one pallu portions, heavy fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very soft one, heavy worked but soft one, pure tussar silk base with fine weaving design, threaded weaving design work, heavy worked pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, fully worked, and this one is pallu portions, and this one is all over base, pink base, border also work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks. And this one, nice color combinations, Banarasi work, premium quality, pure handloom, matka base with zari weaving, hand weaving, Banarasi work, border all over buta design, very fresh and bright looks. This one, full base part all over buta design, zari weaving buta, and this one is border portions, contrast color border with zari weaving, Banarasi work border, and all over buta design, matka base, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work, pallu fully hand weaving design, zari weaving highlighted pallu. Very beautiful color combinations, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and elegant looks. And this one is very beautiful one, Dupian silk material with Kantha stitch pattern, stitching, stripes design, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is full base part, very elegant one. This one is full base part, upper base part, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, stripes with Kantha stitch pattern, highlighted stripes design, very elegant looks for pure handloom Dupian silk material. This one is all over base, this portion is upper base part, and this one split section, fully stripes with Kantha stitch pattern, stitching, stripes design, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is upper base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very elegant and fresh trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very nice color combinations, Dupian silk material, highlighted zari border, and this one is pallu portion, contrast gicha pallu, very elegant and fresh looks, bright also. This one is full base part, pure handloom Dupian silk, all over weaving buta design. This one is border portions, golden zari with highlighted stripes pattern border, and this one pure handloom Dupian silk, pure Dupian silk with beautiful weaving buta design, and this one is pallu portions, gicha pallu, highlighted stripes with weaving buta work pallu, very elegant and fresh looks, bright orange and gicha pallu base, very nice looks. And this one full base part, all over buta design, zari border, pure handloom Dupian silk, and this one is running blouse piece, fully stitching, stripes design, and this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also very nice and bright color combinations, based for your party wear, function wear, very nice looks, golden zari border, pure muslin base, all over zari weaving jamdani design work, all over base weaving design, Jamdan Bengal traditional Jamdani work, zari weaving Jamdani design, muslin base, transparent golden zari border, soft one, and this one is full base part, transparent, all over Jamdani design, and bright maroon shade with Jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, fully golden shiny running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portion, same golden shiny pallu, very bright and beautiful looks, muslin silk with zari weaving highlighted pallu, and this one is pure muslin base with zari jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and bright looks, bright maroon shade, very gorgeous also. And this one also nice color combinations, premium quality, pure tussar silk Banarasi, very beautiful and elegant looks. Base part is grey base, zari weaving Banarasi work, buta and border, and very lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure tussar silk This one is border portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving design work border and all over buta design and pure tussar silk hand weaving Banarasi work. And this one, pallu portions, fully contrast color with fine heavy weaving design work pallu, but very soft one, smart looks. And this one is full base part zari weaving buta work. This one is border portions, fully Banarasi weaving design work border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very bright and gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your bright looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, muslin base, matka muslin base, half portion is matka, half portion is muslin portion is jamdani buta design, very elegant and fresh looks, This one is full base part, muslin base, upper base part, muslin base transparent with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani design work, very fresh and trendy looks. And this one, pallu end highlighted matka with muslin stripes with sequin design, very nice looks and bright color combinations, smart looks. And half portion is muslin and half portion is, matka, yellow base matka. This portion is pleat section. And this one is upper base part, transparent with jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, organic linen base and wine shade Banarasi weaving design work buta and border also very nice looks. This one, full base part, organic linen Banarasi. This one is full base part. This portion is border portions, fully zari weaving heavy worked border all over buta design, very nice looks. This one, pallu portions, fully zari weaving heavy worked pallu, organic linen Banarasi, heavy work but easy drapable, smart one. And this one, full base part, border portions, fully zari weaving heavy worked border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very beautiful one. And I purchased this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very nice color combinations, organic linen Banarasi, very beautiful one, fresh pink shade with golden zari weaving Banarasi work border all over buta design, very nice and fresh looks, Banarasi weaving buta work. And this one is border portions, fully fine zari weaving hand weaving design work, Banarasi work border all over buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, fully zari weaving heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, very beautiful and fresh looks. This one is border portion, and this one, pallu portions, heavy fine Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked pallu, fresh pink shade, magenta pink shade with golden zari work. And this silk material, heavy buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And this one also, same material, different work only, very bright and fresh looks, navy blue shade zari weaving buta work, and pallu also heavy weaving design work, very bright and beautiful looks, organic linen base with zari weaving Banarasi work pallu, bright navy blue shade. This one is pallu portions, very beautiful and smart looks, and all over buta design. And this one, full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade, heavy fine Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked, contrast blouse piece, very beautiful and bright looks. And this one, nice color combinations, purple wine shade, purple shade, and golden zari border, muslin base, hand weaving jamdani design, golden zari weaving jamdani design all over base, very nice and fresh looks. This one, full base part, muslin base all over, transparent base with zari weaving jamdani design work all over, golden zari border, very beautiful and fresh bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, fully golden patch running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portion, same patch pallu portions, very bright and beautiful look, shiny material this portion, and this one is muslin base, transparent with zari weaving jamdani design work. This portion is upper base for all over base zari weaving jamdani design, and type is this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. And this one, nice color combinations, pink shade, baby pink shade with jamdani design work, hand weaving jamdani work, and pure muslin base, very elegant looks, lightweight. Obviously this one is full base part. This portion is border portions, beautiful zari weaving jamdani design work border, and all over butta design, very fresh and beautiful looks. Pink base zari weaving butta design. This one is border portion, muslin base, transparent. This one running blouse piece, and this one is border, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful zari weaving heavy design work, jamdani design work pallu. This one is pallu portions, very beautiful and fresh looks, zari weaving jamdani design, fully hand weaving work, zari with contrast color threaded weaving design work, and this one is border portions, very lightweight muslin base, transparent, and I place this silk material, heavy brocade butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also nice color combinations, pure khadi base, premium quality khadi Banarasi, contrast color zari weaving Banarasi work border, all over Banarasi butta design premium quality pure handloom khadi base, khadi Banarasi, very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design work, contrast color border, all over zari weaving butta design, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving heavy worked pallu, and very soft one, pure khadi base with Banarasi work, khadi Banarasi, very nice look. This one full base part, all over butta design, khadi cotton with Banarasi work, very nice and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will show this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. This one also very nice color combinations, pure handloom matka, hand spun matka silk with zari weaving diagonally work stripes all over, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is border portions, beautiful fine zari weaving, soft zari weaving heavy worked border, and all over stripes design, every stripes are zari weaving stripes, and diagonally work, and premium quality hand spun matka base, and this one pallu portions, fully self weaving brocade pattern, heavy weaving design work pallu, fully zari weaving, and very soft and beautiful elegant looks. This one full base part, all over diagonally work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will show this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. all the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have dipped a beautiful saree, very bright and gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, tissue based tissue silk with heavy Banarasi weaving design work border. Base part is tissue silk, shiny material, all over weaving polka design, and this one is border portions, fully contrast color with heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work border, but soft one, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color, and all over fine weaving polka design work, all over base, shiny material, well set, very nice and bright gorgeous looks, beautiful saree and blouse, designer blouse and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.